Welcome back to Trend Secrets, your ultimate destination for all things interior design and home decor. Whether you're an experienced decorator or just dipping your toes into the world of design, you're at best place. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of interior design. We'll explore a wide range of topics to inspire and guide you in creating a space that truly reflects your personality and style. From cozy living rooms to sleek kitchens, we'll discuss everything from how to arrange furniture and choose colors to selecting the perfect decor pieces to complete your look. We will also be exploring the latest trends in home decor, from classic to contemporary innovations, so you can infuse your space with fresh inspirations. Selecting the right furniture is crucial in creating a functional and visually appealing interior design. Each piece of furniture serves a purpose beyond its mere functionality. It contributes to the overall style of a room. Whether you opt for sleek and modern pieces to achieve a contemporary look or prefer vintage, inspired furniture, for every choice you make plays a part in shaping the personality of your space. Through my design ideas, I will ensure that you have all the knowledge and resources you need to tackle your next decorating project with confidence. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. That's right, good interior design isn't about how much money you spend, but how creatively you use what you have. Even inexpensive or budget-friendly decor items can make a big impact when placed thoughtfully and styled with care. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Don't forget to subscribe to Trend Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.